Chances of me successfully using chopsticks, very low. Oh, I got an edamame. This is good. Let me show you how I made this particular dressing. To make this sesame ginger dressing, I'm going to use a combination of sesame oil and canola oil. Sesame oil is super flavorful, and because it's so potent, I wouldn't want to use all sesame oil in this dressing. So I'm using a combo. 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Also, sesame oil can go rancid very quickly, so this is an oil that I keep in the fridge to extend the shelf life. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 clove garlic that I'm just going to grate right into here. And yes, I freeze my ginger to extend its shelf life, and then when I'm ready to use it, I just pull it out of the freezer and start grating away. Now I'm looking for 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of tahini. It's totally optional, but it helps create a thicker dressing. Give it a shake and have a taste test. Oh. Perfect. This is going to go great on top of our noodle salad. This is good. Get that sesame ginger dressing from the free PDF guide with all these amazing recipes and let me know what you think.